Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. What's this? Whoa, look at that. Got some new shirts, which I'll show you in a minute. I'll talk about those in a minute. So I wanted to show you the Bird Mansion. We finally got it all put together here. We got the bottom cage there. Originally, these were dog cages for when we had to take the dogs to get them fixed. Man, they're loud. So they got the bottom cage here attached to this top cage. We got a large cutout there, you see. And then I got the mansion. They haven't actually gone in there yet. I put some of that coconut fiber stuff in there. AI said put a little bit in the house, in the bedrooms, and then put some in the cage so that they can tear it apart and build their nests. So that's what I did. What the heck is that all about? So these are our miniature parrots. Yeah, so this is the final birdhouse. I got this door in the back. Got a little window there so we can see in. Got it separated into 4 bedrooms. Yeah, so that's that. So I was gonna make a video about taxes and about write-offs because you do have to file taxes. If you're a YouTuber, it's classified as a self-employed, what's it called? Entrepreneur. You're running your own business. And if you make over, $400 a year, you have to file taxes with the US government. If you make over 250,000 pesos, which is about 4,000 some dollars per year, you do have to file taxes also with the Philippine government. And the goal would be to have enough write-offs, that's at least my goal, have enough write-offs that I don't have to actually owe any taxes. So I'm not going to do a whole tax video here, but it's a whole process. Get your wife a I-10 so that you can do married filing joint. You got to file a W-7 with your taxes to get the I-10. But it's a little late to do a video on that now because it's after April 15th. I'm preparing for next year. So I'm starting to save all my receipts for my home business, which is my YouTube channel. So I decided to order a bunch of shirts so that I could write them off. And I'll show you, I bought 15. And we just went and picked them up today. We got all different colors. We got red, we got black, what's that? Green. It's a camouflage. They're all like a camouflage design. It's got gray. Oh, what color is that? It's like a tan. Blue. Gray. But yeah, I got tons of shirts. So gotta keep all my receipts so that I can do write-offs and hopefully not owe any taxes on it's Social Security and Medicare is what you would owe taxes. Because at least for me, I'm definitely be under the what is that write-off, shit, I can't think of what it's called. Your okay, I had a brain fart here. Deductibles, your standardized deductible, which is really high when you're married, and so we're not going to owe any taxes on that, but still going to owe money on the Social Security and Medicare. Check out the grass. It's really coming along nicely now. gave up on this area. We're just gonna put trees, some fruit trees down in here. Also, check these out. So we went and picked these up today. These are the stepping stones that I ordered. They're 60 by 30, and I got those stone decoration added. These are really nice. So they're really heavy. They're 50 pounds a piece. So I went and picked up 13 today. I put 13 in the Geely Cool Ray. Didn't really have any issues. It was very heavy. You're talking like 600 pounds. And so I ordered 25, so this is 13. So I think I'm definitely gonna have enough, which is nice. Probably put one more here. Yeah, get rid of these red stones, and then put a border all the way down to that gate. Just so, you know, when the mail comes or whatever, if my brother-in-law's up here, he likes to run down there. So he'll have a nice little sidewalk, put more gravel in here, and put it up to the side of these stones, kind of like over here. But I did make all these by hand, and I just didn't want to do that all again. So I decided I'll just pay somebody to make them. These were 150 a piece. So 25 of them, money well spent. Less work I gotta do. So next thing, I need to cut all the forms and put all the forms together for the side pieces. And then I need to get some string so that I could run a string from this corner all the way down to there so I can straighten everything off here. Yeah, look at our grass. Even got my wife, my sister-in-law, brother-in-law, and my in-laws. Let me see your shirt, hon. Got them shirts. Yeah, the grass is starting to come in pretty good. I started watering it like once a day instead of twice a day, just to cut back on the water usage. Usually water it at night. You can see it's still damp, but up there it's pretty dry. Yeah, so that's what's going on. That's what's been going on. If you guys seen the video I made the other day, we went to a waterfall and I slipped, busted my ass because of my shoes. I need to get some new slippers. These things just got no traction on them. Not good for waterfalls. I busted my wrist. You can see it's all bruised up. Cut my hand, but it's getting better. Should be better in a couple days. It's not bad now. It's just all bruised. That's pretty much it. Let's check on the chickens real quick, see how they're doing. They've been laying eggs like crazy. My wife, originally we were gonna try to get these chickens to, what's that called? Roost. Sit on the eggs. It ain't happening yet. They're too young. And then I gave my wife four of the eggs. She cracked the first one, double yolk. Second one, double yolk. Third, fourth, double yolks. So I don't really understand why they're all double yolks. My understanding is they will not hatch if they're double yolks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. There's Princess. We got Pigpen under there. There's old Pigpen. And then Foghorn Leghorn. I don't have a name for the other two yet. Or other one. Yeah, the other one. So that's Princess. What do you guys think? What should I name her? Snow White? That's a good name. Snow White, Princess, Pigpen, Foghorn. See, there's eggs in there. Eggs are really small also. We did eat some, but like I said, they got double yolks. All right, guys, I think that is it. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's been going on. And check these flowers out. You know, when we planted these flowers, they were about that big. Look at them now. They're huge. They got huge stalks on them, almost like trees. You see it down in there? Really nice. Really nice flowers. Yeah, where I put that chicken shit mix, it really boosted the flowers with that nitrogen. I'm gonna make some more of that. I gotta get my brother-in-law to climb under there and get me a bucket of that chicken shit so I can mix. But, all right guys, well, that is it. Just a little update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.